Oh, yes. Let's do this one. Lem, the Orphan Reindeer, Kathy Garver on A Christmas Chord. I've been collecting records since I was a kid, and I've stumbled upon thousands of Christmas ones. Season's greetings. I'm Rich Russo, and welcome to A Christmas Chord. Stars of TV shows throughout the 50s, 60s, and 70s often cut records too, sometimes in character, other times as themselves, and occasionally as themselves, kind of sort of referencing their TV show. Family Affair was a hit sitcom that ran for 5 seasons on CBS. Its premise was a little bit wacky. Uncle Bill was played by Brian Keith, who has a butler named Mr. French, and he lives in a gigantic apartment on Park Avenue in New York City. After his brother and his brother's wife die in a car crash in Indiana, he's put in charge of their 3 children, a teenager named Sissy, and fraternal 5-year-old twins named Jody and Buffy. Probably the most memorable thing to come from the show was Mrs. Beasley. It was a doll that was owned by Buffy. It became a toy smash, and unlike most of the other shows of the day, it didn't do much in terms of records that were released in 45s and stuff, such like this. Sebastian Cabot, who played the butler, Mr. French, released an album of Bob Dylan covers while the show aired. And it's one of the most craziest things you'd ever hear. Go listen to that. Johnny Whitaker, who played Jody, one of the twins, released some music after Family Affair ended, but most notably a tune from Siegmund and the Sea Monsters children's show. Buffy was played by Anissa Jones, and she tragically OD'd in 1976 and was immortalized in the song by Angel in the reruns, Buffy Come Back. And that brings us to Kathy Garver, who played Sissy, the oldest. She released a Christmas single in 1969 during the show's run on a label ran by Bobby Hart and Tommy Boyce that only released 2 records. Hart and Boyce, of course, did the Monkees theme. The song is about an orphan reindeer named Lem, and considering Kathy played an orphan on The Family Affair, this was no coincidence. This record flew under the radar. It's quite rare and expensive, so we're going to give it a spin. It's Lem, the Orphan Reindeer by Kathy Garver.
In the very midst of nowhere, Santa signaled, "Whoa!" He'd spied a tiny reindeer struggling in the snow. As Santa raced to help him, he shouted and he waved. And the little reindeer cried with joy, knowing he was saved. I'm Lem, the orphan reindeer, and I was nearly dead. I'm tired and cold and hungry, the little fellow said. I lost my folks this morning, and tonight I lost my way. But for Lem, the orphan reindeer, it's still a lucky day. Lem, the orphan reindeer. Lem, the orphan reindeer? Ha! Old Santa said aloud. You're joining Santa's family. I know you'll make us proud. You'll grow so big and strong and fast. You'll join my mighty team. You'll race to Mars and then the stars. Now go to sleep and dream. All snug in Santa's woolly rug. The baby reindeer lay, shivering with such happy thoughts as Santa raced his sleigh. I'll find a way, I will repay, tiny fellow planned. I'll sail to Mars and then the stars. His wish is my command. Now Lem, the orphan reindeer, is what Santa said he'd be. Member of a mighty team, and a wondrous sight to see. So tall and strong, with legs so long, they fairly leaped to Mars. And Santa's pride is hard to hide. His lamb has reached the stars.
Lem's an orphan.
Yeah, there you have it. Lem the Orphan Reindeer, Kathy Garver. I mean, how many different reindeer can there be in Christmas songs? Obviously a lot. You know, on this picture, it's Kathy Garver holding what I guess must be the stuffed animal version of Lem the Reindeer Never Got Off. But there's an address to write her, you know, the Kathy Garver fan club, Radio City Station, New York. Maybe we'll send a postcard there, and perhaps we'll get in touch with Kathy Garver at some time, and she could explain this song. Who knows? Lem the Orphan Reindeer, the Christmas story.